Hello friends, so in today's tutorial I wanted to show you how you can set up Hermes agent to be able to post content automatically to Facebook. And as you can already see, we have actually set up one of these automations here. So it basically reposts this video that we've been running across a bunch of different accounts. As you can see, it's basically like an AI character swap thing, which is then meant to promote our business Gen 1. And that is being done automatically. Now, what you need to get started, and full disclosure ahead, I'm one of the co-founders, so I'm obviously a little biased, but I think by the time this video ends, you'll hopefully be convinced as well, which is access to GenViral and the API, because we've specifically built an API to be able to post content to all major social media platforms, including Instagram, including Facebook, all the other ones as well, and doing that in an automated manner, again, in accordance with your Hermes agents. So for you to get started, you need to feed your Hermes agent the following link, which I'll also make sure to add in the description of this video. Now, really important with this video, I'm not going to show you how to set up Hermes agent. There are plenty of videos of how you can do that. In our case, we are running our Hermes agent on Discord, because there's a lot of other automations that my co-founder and I are running together with Hermes agents. However, for example, with OpenClaw, I'm using Telegram. So whether it is that you're using Telegram, whether it's WhatsApp, Teams, or Discord, all these platforms will more or less converge to the same usability. So it ultimately depends what you prefer. Now, again, really important that you have set up Hermes agent and everything before. And once you do, you feed them the following link. The next thing that you need to do is you need to feed your agent an API key, which you get here in the bottom left on API keys. Then you click here on create new API key. So in this case, I need to switch to my personal workspace and then just click on new API key and provide my agent with the key. The final thing that you need to do as a prerequisite is to connect the account to GenViral, the Facebook account that is. And that you do by clicking here on social posts and on manage accounts. And then you go into the Facebook tab, or I actually don't even have to do it. As you can see, I already connected it. And you click here on connect, you go on Facebook, you're redirected to the Facebook platform, you click connect, and that's it. This is the prerequisite to get started. Once that's the case, and now I'm going to switch to just this little summary that my Hermes agent actually did, because I've deleted the chat already for this particular automation. But generally, my recommendation with all these AI agents is to tell it, hey, please document this API and give it the API, give it the API key, obviously in a secure manner. And finally, make sure that the accounts are connected. Once you do, tell the agent, the Hermes agent, to ask you clarifying questions, meaning in this case, you loosely describe the automation that you want to set up. In our case, we want to repost these videos from a folder. And so I tell it, okay, please ask me clarifying questions about this, such as the posting cadence, such as the captions used, should I use hashtags, at what time should I post, etc., etc. Now, in our case, just to switch back to GenViral, the automation that we're running is the following. Basically, we have this folder here called Character Swap YouTube, because we're also posting this content to YouTube. And when I initially set up the automation, it was actually meant for YouTube, and now it's also posting to Instagram and Facebook. But effectively, again, I told it, hey, look at this folder here, or make sure that you can see this folder and confirm to me that you can see this folder. In this case, right now we have 30 items. These are all these types of videos that a video editor for us is creating and then uploading here into the folder. So there will be new videos added on almost a daily basis. Once that's the case, I also told it, okay, please post every day here, as you can see, at 8:45 p.m. New York City time. And make sure to, when you do, post a confirmation in this channel here, GenViral Organic, because this is to promote everything that's promoting our business, GenViral. And as you can see here, we had the post that's being done, the Facebook post that I just showed you, with the confirmation ID and everything on top. When I set up the automation, just to go back real quick, I also told it, hey, keep a log system of every post that you did. In our case, it's important because we're basically reposting these videos more or less and reusing them. So I don't want it to just reuse the same video literally in the next video. And as a result, the log system is really meant for it to know, okay, I posted about this video. In this case, that was, I think, Freddie Mercury. Yep. So please, for the next 29 times, don't post any more videos. And also on a daily basis, keep monitoring this folder here. If new videos added, then make sure to update your knowledge so that, again, you never repeat the videos unless and until we have cycled through all of the videos here in the stack. As we will keep adding new videos on a daily basis, that will also mean that this will probably not be an issue, meaning we will be adding new videos constantly and on a daily basis. So that is really important to mention here and to notice is depending on your automation. For example, if you want to do reposting, also have a logging system. And that is really also important when you scale these posting systems. We have, I think, 20 automations, posting automations running to all kinds of social media platforms. So it's really important that when you set up these logging systems, it's really distinct per automation, and then make sure to keep that log so that, again, it doesn't repost the same content. And then finally, again, as I said, in our case, it has to confirm it here in the General Organic channel. One thing that we have actually here noted in the Instagram summary, the Facebook posting automation was actually not working. And that was because I needed to re-authenticate the Facebook account because we've actually didn't use it for some time. So in this case, what I had to do is I had to go here into manage accounts, click on the Facebook account and click here on reconnect. Because again, the account wasn't being used for some time. So I needed to re-authenticate all the scopes and everything. And that's basically what the thing told me as well. And this is also how you want to set up your Hermes agent. Meaning when you set it up, tell it to also recursively A, improve itself, and then B, if something is wrong, also here in the channel that you wanted to share the update with, make sure that it shares those updates so that you can maybe by yourself, maybe the agent itself, or together with the agent can debug what's going on. Because ultimately, and that's the point that I'm trying to drive across here, each automation that you set up, whether it's on the different platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, etc., or even within the same platform, in our case Facebook, will be very, very different to what I've just set up. Again, it really, really depends on the type of content that you want to create. And so by extension, each automation will also be different. Which brings me to my last 2 points. If you want to automate content, my honest recommendation is to first do this manually, at least for like a week, so that you understand, hey, how does Janvaro, for example, the platform work? How does posting on Facebook work? How do I have to write my captions? When do I best upload images and videos, etc.? Now, one thing that I want to mention here as well is we do also have endpoints for example, analytics, so that you can also use the data that you get from these posts and say, okay, now after some time, maybe after 30 posts, see what the most popular posts were, and now base your content based on those posts. And the last bit is, if you have any questions, if you're stuck with implementing, the comment section is always available. Also, if you're a subscriber to Genviral, we offer free implementations of these automations. So if you need help setting these up, then you can always talk to me, and I'm more than happy to log it in. And we've set up over, I think, 100 automations for almost 100 different customers in this case. So we are very experienced with setting up Hermes agent automations, open code automations, etc., etc. And so with that being said, this is how you set up Hermes agent to run and create Facebook content more or less automatically. Just to reiterate, you need to feed your agent the Genvar API docs, which I'll also mention in the description of this video. You need to connect your social accounts here under Manage Account in the social post section. And you also need to give it the API key. And then everything else, again, is based on your specific automation. I, again, recommend let it ask you clarifying questions. Make sure that you also do the first post you do in the thing here, in the chat, and then make it confirm or make you confirm the post, meaning, okay, the post is good, now confirmed, now everything else is being run in a cron job, and make then sure to also update me whenever a post is made or is not being made so that I can debug. And that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.